apparently, I see it. There's a bridge up there. That's probably Chimney Rock. You know, when you go up to Chimney Rock, which I don't know if we can do that today or not, but. Yeah, nobody cares about Jersey. Anyone care about Jersey? I don't think anyone cares about Jersey. Side of it. Yeah. Pull over if you can. Alright. We're down just a little bit further. You can see all the work they're having to do here. I mean, this gorgeous, gorgeous place became a mess really fast. Really fast. Down there. Looks like the houses on the other side of the river may have been high enough that they didn't get anything. Oh, this is a new road right here. New asphalt. I mean, can you imagine living in a beautiful place like this? This is the cutest little gift hut I think I've ever seen. A little store.